In this video, I'm going to show you how to power your COMFAST router using power bank. First, check the power requirements for your router, which you can usually find on a label located on the back or bottom of the device. Next, ensure that your power bank matches the correct voltage and amperage requirements. You'll need a DC to USB adapter cable that is compatible with your setup. Insert the DC end into the power port on your router. Plug the USB end into the power bank. After you turn it on, the lights on your router will illuminate, letting you know that it's powered up. If the router isn't functioning properly, it could be due to the power bank not supplying enough power. In this situation, make sure to turn off the 5G network. Also, be sure to check out the other video linked in the description for a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to do it. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.